Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is green plant produce carbohydrate by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll pigment which are present inside the chloroplast. Things occurs in photosynthesis. First one is production of energy or assimilatory power in the form of ATP and NADP. And second thing is reduction of CO2 to form glucose or carbohydrate. We know during photosynthesis oxygen evolved, and due to the evolution of oxygen the animal can breathe, can respire. So many early experiments related to photosynthesis are present which are assembled to form the definition of photosynthesis. Today we are going to discuss about the early experiments that are related to photosynthesis. I am going to discuss only 3 experiments that are related to photosynthesis. One is called Joseph Priestley's experiment, second one is called Ingenhouse's experiment, and third one is called Julius Vansa's experiment. This scientist gives remarkable contribution in the field of photosynthesis that today we can easily understand the process, the mechanism of photosynthesis. So let us discuss one by one. The first experiment in photosynthesis was performed by Joseph Priestley. Priestley discovered that plant exposed to sunlight can renew air. He placed a small green mint plant in a vessel of water inside a bell jar in which a candle was burning. The mint plant was left for 1 week. Then he placed another burning candle in the jar and saw that the new candle remained lit. Then he put a mouse in the jar instead of the burning candle, and the mouse alive. And finally, Priestley concluded that plants restore to the air whatever breathing animals and burning candles remove, that is CO2. In this way, Priestley not only concluded that plant renew air, but also he discovered oxygen, because the aim of his experiment was how plant produce oxygen and to understand how oxygen is necessary for animal and humans. Then we discuss about Ingenhouse's experiment. Ingenhouse is best known for his discovery of photosynthesis. Ingenhouse proved that plant leaves need sunlight rather than heat in order to produce oxygen. With an aquatic plant, he showed that in bright sunlight, small bubbles were formed around the green plants, while in dark they did not. Here in this image, you can clearly see that in the presence of light, plant can photosynthesize and produce starch, but in the absence of light, it can't. Then we discuss about Julius Vansa's experiment. Julius Vansa provided evidence for production of glucose when plants grow. Glucose is usually stored as starch. He later showed that the green substances in plant, that is called chlorophyll, is located in special bodies called chloroplast in plant cell. This is all about early experiment in photosynthesis. Thank you.